You guys want to know how to make some bomb shrimp lettuce wraps? You know you have to have this, right? Stay tuned, buddy. All right, so in this bowl, it might look like shrimp. It's because it is shrimp. I tend to buy the easy peel. I think when you peel the shrimp yourself, you kind of have a better texture. I think when you get the shrimp already peeled in the bags, it's got like that, almost like a plastic coating to it. Plus, kind of cheap. If you buy the easy peel, or if you have to peel and devein them yourself. I almost said your shelf. Your shelf. Your shell.
Your shell.
Get you some recteq Grills nitrile gloves. Makes this job so much easier because you have textured tip fingers, so there is no slipping shell going on. In 2020, recteq Grills is going healthy. Shrimp is a great food to eat. It's a great late night snack. High protein, low calorie, low fat. Alright, but this is a quick one, guys. This is a great way to kind of clean out the veggie drawer, the fridge. I mean, if you got some cucumbers, some onions, some carrot, who doesn't have that stuff at the house? I don't feel like cutting up a whole cabbage because no one's going to eat it but me. So I took a cheat. I bought a bag of Asian, like a salad. So it's got some cilantro, some cabbage. It's got some carrots, but I want a little more crunch in there. It does already have a dressing in it, which doesn't completely suck, so we'll add that in there too. 1 cup of that salad prepared is only 160 calories. We're going to make some really good lettuce wraps. Now in the description below, it's going to tell you to use bib lettuce, but the grocery store did not have any bib lettuce, so I substituted some green leaf. That's cool. You can use iceberg, you can use romaine. You don't even have to use lettuce as the wrap, but again, it's a great way to shed some extra calories because those flour and corn tortillas are packed with calories that you don't need. Well, you might need, but you just might not necessarily want them. Alright, so we got our shrimp peeled and deveined. I got some Screaming Pig rub. I got a little bit of sesame oil. I keep my sesame oil in the fridge, that way it doesn't go rancid. Just do a little bit of that. You know, maybe a tablespoon, teaspoon. Alright, we're bringing the heat with that Ron's Screaming Pig rub. And you could say shrimp are the pig of the sea. I think they're delicious. About a tablespoon of that. So Screaming Pig's got a little bit of heat with a little bit of sweet. If you don't like spicy, it's not overly hot. It does have a little bit of kick to it, but it's a quick kick. It's not like one of those heats where it just lingers forever. It's going to kind of hit you, bam, and then go away. It's really good. On shrimp, it's fantastic. The acid in the vegetables and the vinaigrette we have is really going to kind of mellow that out. So, but I want a little more on here because I live dangerous. Let's go to the 700. All right, we got the shrimp smoking off, 375 degrees with that Screaming Pig rub and the sesame oil. That's right, sesame oil. Sesame oil. We might just. This is going to be a blooper video because I can just not talk today. It's been a while since we've done some recipe videos. We're getting back in it. Ready? All right, so we got the shrimp cooking off in the RT700 at 375 degrees. We seasoned that up. Super simple. Sesame oil, Screaming Pig rub. That's it. Get the S's. Sesame oil, Screaming Pig rub. That's it. 18 to 20 minutes till the shrimp are cooked. Plenty of time for me to get my vegetables together. I took a cheat. Matchstick carrots at the grocery store. Already done. I don't need to do anything. Perfect. Asian salad mix. Some fried wontons. Some cilantro. Dynamite. Being healthy and eating good does not have to be complicated. All right, so some English cucumber. Some people ask why it's English. Seedless? I don't know. 2 points. Missed the second one. But the cucumber's gonna give us a great crunch, good refreshing flavor to it. And I love cucumbers, especially with the European ones, because they're seedless and the skin's nice and thin, you can eat it. So, I like to cut them in about 2-inch chunks, and then I'll take my knife, kind of just cut them around in a circle. And many nights have been sitting around a sushi bar watching their chefs prep their vegetables for the next day. And I figured if they could do it, why can't I? You know. But even though they're seedless, I'm not going to eat that. You could, but stack them up on top of each other. And then just cut them into nice julienne. And since this is like a self-service platter, what I'll do is I'll take those cucumber, put them on a little plate here.
Why do they call it julienne?
It refers to the shape. So julienne is a classical French term. So it's 2 inches long by 1/4 of an inch by 1/4 of an inch. It's actually 1/8 of an inch by 1/8 of an inch by 2. I lied. Okay. All right, round 2. All right, so we got our delicious green onion. We can take those carrots, kind of put those right like that. Avocado, we'll just kind of give him a cut down to the pit. Little twist-a-roo. Fantastic. Now we have our, again, the recipe is going to say Bibb lettuce. They didn't have it. So you're going to get green leaf. The cool thing about it is we can wrap it up, but I want to cut these a little bit smaller since these are kind of big. So I'll take a couple of these, the big ones, and we'll just cut them in half, and that'll be my wrap. I can probably even do thirds. So I'll put my shrimp and my vegetables in here. Down the hatch. We'll just make a pile. Perfectly cooked. Whoop. Almost got away. Who doesn't want to have fun while you eat? I mean, it should be delicious, flavorful, shouldn't skimp on any toppings or condiments. Telling you, these shrimp lettuce wraps, no unnecessary carbs, packed full of flavor. You could eat 1 cup of that salad, it's only 160 calories. Party foul. All right, guys, to recap, this recipe couldn't be any easier. We peeled some shrimp, some sesame oil, some screaming pig rub, RT700 at 375 for about 18 to 20 minutes. Some shrimp are on point. We got some Asian salad, some cucumbers, some carrots, some avocado. I'm not in the avocado mood right now, but my kids are gonna tear it up. Some Bibb lettuce. I mean, this right here, you're probably looking 60 calories tops. But I'm getting some sweet sesame flavor from the oil, the ginger dressing with the slaw, the crunch of the vegetables. I mean, it's a little chilly out here today, but it's so fresh, vibrant, delicious. Nice bit of heat on that shrimp from that screaming pig rub, but not too much. If you want to jack it up with some spice, add a little sriracha, but I'm telling you, people. That's dinner, boys.